Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the rotation blur text effect in CapCut for PC. So first I'm just going to add black screen or white screen. Select text, select default text to add the text and you can change for the text. You can change for the font style as you like. And just going to select the clips, right click and create component clip. Go to Pike and select video Pike and select nightclub. Sorry, select lines. And then you can select the sorry rotation blur and alright. Okay, you can select the rotation blur here, the opening and closing. Here's rotation blur, just add to it, right? And you can change for the option right here, flow, range, rotate, and size, speed, and you can see for the final result. Like so, that's how you can create the rotation blur text effect in CapCut for PC. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.